Alright, don't mind the shakiness, but I am filming with my phone right now, and, you know, this, let me move this closer so you can actually watch both my hand and the mouse. I mean, this is, I'm back on the PureOS if you haven't noticed. Now, I did a bunch of I think I did a bunch of updates. I went through both the application, the way you do the software updates. It says I'm up to date, although it is set to automatically install updates. It seems like if you let it wow, don't mind me. I just got off a long shift at work, and it's snowing. And I came home and shoveled snow first. It seems like if you let it boot up and just be there for a while, it'll work faster-ish. And this is what I have not tested yet. And now that I opened the browser, my mouse is completely unresponsive. I really don't know. Like, I've done a lot of troubleshooting things. I took this monitor off. Like, hey, maybe it can only handle one display properly or something, because it is meant for laptops. But this is just painful. I mean, oh yeah, I forgot I got my 486 on right now. But like, and now that I've opened the browser, now the mouse is completely pretty much unresponsive again. Like somebody did mention, I don't remember who in the comments. If I could get onto YouTube.com, I could pull that up. Give me 1 second, see if I can actually get this to load or not. No, I can't, because this is what I got. Because yeah, this is what I got. When you're typing faster than it registers, that does not help. And then seriously, if anybody can come up with any ideas as to what the heck this thing is doing, please, please, please tell me. Yeah, I am trying to get over to the power off thing here, but I'm starting to think that this is just not worth me messing with, like, at all. I think, you know, I've played with Linux distributions for years, and you know, like, I'm talking like going back to Ubuntu, was it like 6.1 or something like that? And that, you know, I mean, like, I'm used to bugginess, but this is just a whole new level. I can't even get the mouse over there. It's just stuck. So ooh, that's dirty. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.